I'm Krista with Bluebird in a Box.
Hey, I'm Virginia with Bluebird in a Box.
And today we're going to show you some awesome napkin treatments to make sure that your place setting looks beautiful.
Amazing. So we like to keep things really simple here. So I'm going to show you one of the easiest things to start with. So I love these handy dandy little napkin rings. They're really fun to play with and they make setting a table much easier. So what I'm going to do is go ahead and start with my napkin completely flat on the table. I'm going to go to the very middle and I'm going to pull it up. As you can see, it looks like a handy dandy little ghost. You'll get a lot of people to laugh with that one. So hold this, take your napkin ring and slide it over the top. It takes 2 seconds and you have a perfectly polished, completely done napkin ring and napkin treatment. So you can put it by your forks, you can put it on top of the plate, you can turn it sideways on top of the plate. Really easy, looks really elegant and beautiful. It's an all-time favorite and super easy.
This one's a little bit more complicated, but it is one of my favorites. So all you'll do is you'll start out with your napkin flat on your table and fold it in half so it is a triangle. Then from there you'll roll in to the center. And don't worry if it's not perfect. This one's supposed to be pretty casual. And then you'll just tie it into a knot. And end up looking just like that. I love to put it right on top of the corner of the plate. It also is really fun to just lay it right on top. Super fun and casual and you can't mess it up.
I love that. I love how you put it on the side just like this one. I think it frames the place setting really beautifully.
I do too.
So that's awesome. Cool. So I'll show you the last one. Again, super simple. We like nice and easy over here. So the napkin is going to go flat on the table. I'm going to go ahead and take the top corners. I'm going to pull them down so it's nice and smooth. The seams are lined up and then I'm just going to roll it. Nice and tight, kind of going back to doing origami when you were little, except like the very first versions that you're doing, very easy. So roll it up and go ahead, take your napkin ring, slide it into the napkin ring, and there you go. So just really super basic. This is actually what my mother had us do, breakfast, lunch, and dinner growing up. You can go ahead and place it just right by your forks. You can go ahead and place it on top of the plate. You can turn it sideways. I've even once for one of our large weddings, when we had really intricate and beautiful place settings, gone ahead and put it on the top. It worked so beautifully. So lots of variety and super, super easy and fast.
Thanks, join us again soon.
See you soon.